Hello everyone. Let's write 3-letter words. Let's find a picture first. Cat. We have a cat. Cat. Let's write the word cat. K. A. T. K. A. T. Cat. Dog. Dog. Let's write the word dog. D. O. G. D. O. G. Dog. Bed. Bed. Let's write the word bed. B. E. D. B. E. D. Bed. Well done. Super job. Let's get the next picture. Sun. Sun. Let's write the word sun. S. A. N. S. A. N. Sun. Win. Win. Let's write the word win. W. I. N. W. I. N. Win. Fantastic job. Great word. We wrote the word cat. K-A-T. Cat. We wrote the word dog. D-O-G. Dog. We wrote the word bed. B-E-D. Bed. We wrote the word sun. S-N. Sun. And we wrote the word win. W-I-N. Win. Fantastic job. Well done, everyone. Great work. Well done. Hello, parents. Please visit my Etsy store where you will find many handmade resources created by an earliest teacher, that is me, to support your child's early reading, writing and math skills. These engaging and educational resources are designed to make learning fun and effective. I will leave the link below. I hope you like it. Thank you for your support.